All right, guys, welcome back. See what I got here. Got a new box, which means new watch. So let's go ahead, open this bad boy up. All right, official watches. I got this on Amazon. No, excuse me, eBay. This is a factory refurbished watch, as you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of overexposed there. It says factory refurbished. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Alpina. It's my first Alpina watch that I've had. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Official Watch Deals is the person I bought it from here. So here's the box itself. We have some warranty information down here. Let me go ahead and pull this out. This does come with a 2-year warranty. So we got that going. Let's open this package up here real quick. International warranty, certificate of authenticity. Nothing's filled out there though. Put that off to the side. Same book. Here we go. Alpina comes in a nice little leather case here. Feels pretty nice. Okay. There it is. Man, this is looking real nice here. Nice soft case. I'm sorry, pillow. Wrapped up pretty nice. It feels, I don't know what kind of texture this is. Leather on the inside as well. Embossed Alpina. Let's go ahead and take this watch off here. This is the Alpina Start Time, I believe it's called. There's the model number and everything. Startimer Pilot. It's a 44 millimeter, 100 meters water resist. Normal price $12.95, and I can tell you, did not pay nearly that much for this watch. With it being refurbished, something was wrong with it. It got sent back to the factory, and they can't sell it as new after that. So let's go ahead and I guess first things first, take off all this plastic. So where to start? I guess with this hang tag. Is it running yet? No, it is not. Man, there's a lot of plastic on here. This is wrapped up tight. I'll tell you that much. Whew. There we go. Where is the other end? I am no good with these unboxings. I swear this plastic is going to be the end of me. Where is the end of the plastic? Where is it? Where's the end? Oh God. What are we gonna do here? Oh, it just wants to come off. Why is it wrapped up so tight? Can I pick this? Really right now? Oh my goodness. Be smarter than the plastic. There we go. Another layer of plastic. How frustrating is it watching me try to take the plastic off this watch? Got plastic here. All right, now get the plastic off this end. Why does there have to be so much plastic? Oh my God, come on. Come on, come on. There we go. Almost, almost. It's caught in the link. Okay. Oh Lord. There's another side full of plastic. Why is this one so much easier? So there it is. Let's go ahead and give it a unthreading here. Smooth, very smooth threading. Smooth, take a look at that sweep. Very smooth sweep too. I have to actually look up what movement's inside this thing. I think it's an SW200. Has nice AR coating on that. Let's go ahead, pop it up to the first position there. Change the date. Pop it up to the second position, solid snap. Very cool. Let's go ahead and take it to 1010. Pop that back into place. Keep winding it up. And threading it in. Threads in nice. Nice size crown. Signed crown. The bracelet feels slightly cheap. I don't know if it's just because how thin it is. And this is actually like a gray, they call it. It's not black. In the pictures it looked black, but this is more titanium gray. Very nice polishing on the center lugs there. Brushed on the side, but whatever, we'll get into that when I do the review. Let me go ahead and pop it on wrist. I have more in my Ingersoll right now. So let me go ahead and take that off and then I'll pop this on. I'm not gonna size it up right now, but there it is. 44mm watch on my 7.5-inch wrist. Doesn't look too bad. It's actually a nice little pilot's watch, nice Flieger. The crown doesn't, maybe if I put it up here. No, it doesn't feel too bad. Like an old man wrinkles right there. But no, it doesn't feel too bad at all. I'm actually quite impressed with that AR coating on it. Butterfly clasp feels very nice. Oops, put the one side in wrong. Yeah, let's get a close-up on that dial. I like the AR coating on that actually. I don't know if it's double AR coated or just on the underside, but it looks really clean, real clear. Just giving it a little threading and unthreading just to see it. Let's go take a look at the back of the watch here. Has Alpina or Alpina? Not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Alpina. But yeah, there it is, the back of it. I'm gonna get a better close-up whenever I do the full review, but there it is. The Alpina Start-Stop. Sorry, Start, I keep wanting to say that. What is this watch called again? The Start Timer? Let's see. I have the hang tag right here. The Alpina Start Timer Pilot. So there it is. Whoops, off the camera. All right, let's get this on the wrist and hopefully get a review out pretty quick. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.